December 1st, 2025. It is 6 a.m. It is super cold. How cold is it? It's 33 degrees, so it's just above freezing. I'm walking into the gym. Normally don't go this early. It's usually just days where I happen to wake up this early, and today I did wake up this early. Which is also kind of crazy, because I don't usually wake up this early on any day. I'm blessed to work from home, and so most days I do not wake up this early because I do not have to drive anywhere. And also my kids sleep in, and I guess, you know, you think you should wake up and take advantage of that time, and sometimes I do, but also sometimes they wake up when I wake up, so it just kind of depends on if I'm feeling froggy or not. And today I'm feeling very froggy, especially because I filled out this notebook in the style of this guy. His name has left me right now at 6 a.m. in the morning, but I'll put his channel right here. But he had like a habit tracker notebook that he created, or maybe not created, but I think he created most of it, I guess I should say. Just like the system that he used was really cool, and I decided to fill it out for December, telling myself that I would start doing better at a lot of my habits on December 1st. So here we are on December 1st, 2025. I'm going to the gym. Okay, so done. It was a little harder than I anticipated, only because I guess I just felt like so tired. Like just came back from Thanksgiving, so it's been like kind of a long, busy weekend. I just felt like super unmotivated. It's just like, what can I do? But you know, I'm just trying to live life the way that I tell people to live their life, which is motivation is like not a real thing. I mean, it is, but like you can't build your life on motivation. You have to build it on like discipline and you know, consistency. So and it's kind of also like the Kaizen method, where it's like the 1% better, you know. So working out for 10 minutes, even though it was, you know, maybe not the best, is better than not working out for any minutes. Actually, I worked out for like almost a full hour. So, and yeah, even though it wasn't like the most intense, I went through my program, did everything I'm supposed to do. So feeling pretty good about the rest of the month. We'll see how the rest of Vlogmas goes.
I will open that one.
Alice, show me your...
Why are some of them yellow? I wonder. The yellow ones must be good.
What is that?
Show me your bare finger.
Do your big finger.
What you working on, Alice?
I tried. It's a Lion King.
You listen to Lion King? What are you making?
Okay,
Hey, what are you making? Can I see you glue some on there?
hey, look, put some glue. You're supposed to be my glue girl. You left me.
I'm down.
Want to help me with this?
I'm down.
What are you doing for Christmas today, Alice? She's not looking. She's watching the Mighty Lion King, or whatever it's called. Hey.
How do you want it?
Yeah,
I tried to do this.
couldn't think of what it's called.
I tried to
Yeah.
do sprinkles on it.
Sorry, our oven is dirty. What is this? What is that?
What is it?
What is that?
It's ice cream.
But what is this though? What is this?
What is it?
What is that?
It's a juice man.
Ginger man?
Yeah.
Is it so good?
Yeah. Can I try it?
Yeah.
Good.
Good. This version of ice cream is whipped cream with these ginger man, as she calls it, ginger man sprinkles. But our oven looks so bad.
I can with sprinkles?
Yeah.
They're good.
There you go.
Thank you.
You can get a spoon.
I don't want a spoon.
You don't want a spoon?
Yeah.
You do want a spoon? Oh, what is that? That's not a spoon. Sorry.
Sorry.
Here you go.
They're gonna make it
Our
go.
fireplace.
Well, no, our arch. I mean, our
Well, it's gonna take me like a week to do that.
I mean, across our what is this, vault? That's what it's called.
Oh, this is kind of cute. You like that?
Yeah. How is your ice cream? How's your ice cream?
Has some pimples on it.
And some sprinkles on it. Well, baby Holland, what is she doing? She's playing the piano. Doing any of that? It's okay. I went and pick up Holland because her mom is busy doing a craft, and so she's forsaken. I'm gonna go visit her and say,
Don't get me in this.
say you are in it.
Don't get me.
That you chose to do crafts over me.
Make a snack pajamas and I'm balding.
Nobody's looking at your pajamas. Alice's newest obsession is Mamma Mia, but she likes. Yeah, it's okay. They're both Christmas, so it's okay. We watch Mamma Mia and sing something else. Some teddy bear touch the ground. Oh, this is probably a good place to put it. All right, be right back, you little yahoos. I gotta go find a scissor. I didn't have a scissor in my office, so. Good enough. Well, all right, that was Vlogmas day 1. And in case you're new to like the idea of Vlogmas or you just don't know like what it is, the whole point is pretty simple. I just want to get more comfortable on camera. I want to practice taking creative ideas from my head to like a finished video like fast, like very efficiently, because it has to be done in a day. But more importantly, I just want to have like more fun, like just creating stuff without like overthinking every single frame, which I know sounds a little bit hypocritical because I am I've got like lights and a camera and a mic, you know, but still these parts are like the easy things to control, and sometimes like taking ideas from start to finish, there's a lot of things you can't control, and so giving up the creative control to just kind of like let things happen. And that sort of goes into what today's lesson was. I just decided this morning that I was going to actually put like a daily lesson to this. Can't promise that there'll be a daily lesson every day. The daily lesson will just be from that day, because I also can't promise that I will be able to post a vlog every day. I know that I won't. I know that I will fail and not do it every single day. But that's kind of part of the lesson today, which was let them see your messy house. You know, earlier in the vlog, when I was making Ellis her ice cream, I made a note about how our oven was dirty. Well, I mean, we had just made breakfast and like hadn't fully cleaned up everything, and I'm trying to like film this and get ready for work and all these things. So obviously like the house is messy, and as I'm like going through and like filming our you know, our day-to-day inside the house, like things are gonna be messy, and that's just kind of how it is. I know we all feel the pressure to make everything look perfect before we hit record, and you know, like we feel like our lives have to be like showroom ready 24/7, but like that's not real and that's not normal. Like it's totally normal for your house to be messy, for your life to be messy, and the whole point of letting people see your messy house is the messy middle, letting people see where you are. And it's normal to not have like the picture perfect house or life all the time. It's totally normal. We're all in different places. And if you've listened to me at all, if you've listened to my podcast or followed like my social posts, you know that I'll always talk about like the messy middle and like not caring what people think, having the courage to be disliked. And I just recently started reading the Let Them theory, and that's sort of like where this came from. Like if you're gonna like judge me because like I hadn't cleaned up our kitchen yet, or like we've got stuff, like we've got 2 kids and dogs, like things are messed up, you know? So if you're gonna judge me for that, like that's fine. I'll let you judge me for that, because like I'm having a blast like filming these, and I want people to see where we actually are and not where we think we should be. Because like a mess doesn't disqualify you, it makes you relatable. So if you're creating anything right now, or you want to create but you're worried about making it perfect, let it be a little messy. Let people in anyway. And hey, I'll be back here tomorrow, I hope, for day 2. See you then.
チゲだ、ファンキーだ、みんな必死で俺についてこい。カモン、チゲだ。